Welcome to Miyconst Hardware. In this short video I'm going to unbox 3 random packages which you can see over here. Of course, one of the packages is going to be AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT, which I have bought a few days ago. The other 2 packages I'm not quite sure what I have received there, but I will take a look today. This video is unboxing, that's why I cannot do it twice, like obviously you cannot box and unbox the box again. That's why the video will be available only in English, and get ready for some mumbling on my side because I will not be able to edit it out. So let's start with the smallest box, which is lying here on top. This box is from Amazon. I'm not quite sure what I have got in here because I have ordered quite some stuff from Amazon, and I have my scissors. So let's cut it open and take a look what I have got. Oh, this is a very interesting graphics card. It's NVIDIA GT 710, but what's interesting about it is that it is PCI Express X1. So this graphics card, I need to be able to test PCI Express X1 slots on motherboards such as HUANAN X99-TF, but it also needed for me, for example, if I have a motherboard such as Miyconst X99Z, which has one PCI Express X16 slot and one PCI Express X1 slot. For example, if I would want to test PCI Express bifurcation, I would need to somehow connect the video adapter to PCI Express X1 slot and the Hyper X16 NVMe card to the X16 slot. So that's why I need this graphics card. Let me carefully open the sealing package and take out the graphics card so we can take a look how it looks inside. Okay, so in package, like nothing interesting, CD manual. I have no idea who needs CD manuals in 2020. And then it comes just very basic package, the graphics card itself, and extra mounting brackets, one like this and one like this. I have no idea how it could be. I need 2. One is for VGA, another one for DVI and HDMI. But let's take a look at the graphics card itself. So this is how this little beauty looks like. I already have an NVIDIA GT 710, and that one is PCI Express X16, but this one is PCI Express X1. So it would be very convenient for me to test if I need to occupy all PCI Express X16 slots. So I have got how those small brackets would work. This is for DVI and HDMI is here, and the VGA is going to be connected on the side. Let me try to show it. So it's going to be something like this if you have space in your chassis. Okay, so I will obviously check if this is working or not a bit later, but NVIDIA GT 710 is probably one of my most favorite graphics cards for testing because it's working with EFI and the legacy boot, and so far I didn't have a single motherboard which would refuse to start with the NVIDIA GT 710. Let's quickly put this box aside and take the other one. The other one is slightly bigger, so I suspect that it's motherboard and it's from AliExpress, and I think customs have opened this package because I see here non-Chinese sticky tape. But let's cut it open and see what I have got inside. I hope it's going to be JingSha X99-E8I, but I'm not sure. It might be something else because I have ordered some other motherboards as well. But I think it's gonna be JingSha X99-E8I. Okay, here it goes. We have the plastic wrap here, and yes, you can see this is JingSha X99-E8I. The box looks much better than the previous JingSha boxes. Previously JingSha had just a pure cardboard box with no colors, nothing, and just motherboard title. Here they already have got motherboard model name, means they will not be able to reuse this box for any other motherboards. Let's get it open and see what we have in here. Top Then useless warranty card. What we have here, the bracket for mounting coolers, a Zotac cable, a bunch of screws and a pack of thermal paste, and the motherboard itself. Come on, get out here. Okay, there is empty box over there, so let's put the box aside and take out the motherboard. Here you can see the Chinese didn't bother to pack it properly, just put it quickly in and dropped into the box, but let's hope the motherboard is not damaged. Here, not sure if it's visible on my poor cell phone camera, but pieces of something, not sure what that is. Okay, so here how the motherboard looks like, pretty much like HUANAN X99-T8I. Not sure what I can tell about the motherboard just by looking at it, but here we have two M.2 slots and it's titled PCI Express M.2, and both of them titled as PCI Express M.2. Then this one is M.2 Wi-Fi, annoying speaker, and all memory slots are DDR4, even though 2 are gray, 2 are black. All of them are DDR4, so it's not like HUANAN X99-T8I, which has DDR3 and DDR4 support. Again, we have these annoying fans, which are exactly like HUANAN G fans, but with a JingSha sticker. The chipset cooler is exactly like on the JingSha X99-D8. Other than that, this I/O shield is also plastic, exactly the same as on HUANAN X99-T8I. Here I can see some strange USB header. Not sure what it's for, maybe to connect like internal Bluetooth or something like that. USB 3 header is pointing to the side, 24-pin power is also pointing to the side. Well, I will obviously test this motherboard and make a review about it, but for now it's just unboxing, so let's also take a look if the socket has any bent pins. Hopefully no, but it's recommended to check when you're getting a motherboard from AliExpress. Seems like all the pins are intact, at least I hope so. So let's put the motherboard back into its box and switch to get the big boy RX 6800 XT. I will put the motherboard back to the box after the video so I don't waste the time. For now, I'm just going to put it aside. Okay, let's take a look at these AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT. The box is rather heavy and I have not yet opened it. I've been waiting a few days for a few more packages to arrive to make a video with at least a few packages. Like 3 packages is already too little for an unboxing video, but I can't wait any longer. I want to get this GPU and start testing it with my Xeon E5 2678 V3. After that, I'm gonna test Ryzen 5 5600X and compare them. So that's gonna be super exciting. Okay, so let's take this out. Come on, get out. Okay, here it goes. Here we have an extra box, but this one shall be easy to open. Let's get it open. Seems to be quite well packed, and I guess it's gonna be this side up. Yeah, here it goes. PowerColor, quick installation guide. I guess we can skip this and go straight. There is nothing there. I thought there might be some connector cables, but there it's empty. So let's go straight to the graphics card and take a look at this beauty. It's super heavy. Like, I'm not sure how heavy it is, but it's certainly much heavier than NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti that I had before. so I have hopes that the cooling will be very quiet. Okay, here it goes. Wow, it's just gorgeous. It feels like a premium graphics card, and I would be surprised if AMD would make something crappy for this money. Like, I don't have much to say, like, it just feels so nice, and I think I'd like to have one of these in my personal computer, but I had RX 5700 XT and it was working quite bad in DaVinci Resolve with my Xeon E5-2690v3, so I switched to Titan V, and yeah, it does not support ray tracing or NVIDIA RTX, but I don't bother. It works awesome in DaVinci Resolve. But this beauty is gonna be used for testing games with different CPUs. Let's just get a quick look around the graphics card, and then I'm gonna finish this video because it's not much more to tell before testing the thing. What I'm a bit disappointed with is the number of connectivity. So it's just 2 display ports, one HDMI and one USB Type-C. For example, if I would want to connect my 3 monitors and the Oculus Rift as a VR headset, these would not be enough. I would have to figure out an additional graphics card for my 3rd monitor because VR headset obviously has to be connected to DisplayPort. But let's hope there will be AIB or custom models of RX 6800 or 6800 XT with more display outputs. So I guess that's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I will catch you soon in Xeon E5-2678v3 comparison against Ryzen 5 5600X using this beauty. Bye bye.